Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on this yesterday, and the gentleman sent me this picture, so I thought he wanted green in color, but he really wanted to look like the sticker with his outline. Very easily done. Here's the original drawing, and you can see that it's all broken into parts. It's ungrouped, so I'm going to go and make a boundary, and then I'm going to nudge that boundary over. So there's our items. Now I am going to group this together. Okay, it's already grouped together because it's a boundary. Now I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside with rounded corners, 0.15. And it put that boundary around it. Now I'm going to go to Object, Break Contour Apart. And I can grab our contour, move it up, or move the other ones over, and move this over, up. But then I need to go to Object, Break Curve Apart. And by doing that, it's going to get rid of that trash in the middle. I can delete all that trash. Now, if you wanted it that color, we're going to go to Object, Order, Back a Page. We're going to turn these white by left-clicking and right-clicking No Outline and move them over. And there's that logo. So you could either have it with the color like that. I really think if he can print this off, I mean, look how that really looks. I mean, this is fine. It looks like the trash can, and you get the idea. And you could, even use maybe different colors to signify. That may be more confusing. That looks pretty good. And you could make these corners square, but I'm thinking it really looks pretty good like that because you've got some curvature in the trash can. And you could do it with, going to square cornered or mitered corners or beveled corners. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.